Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by changing two immediate things, your grip and takeaway. Grip a touch stronger with your left hand so the club face can close through impact. This reduces open face slices. Then take the club back low and slow, keeping the face square to the path for the first 1/3 of the backswing. This prevents an early outside path. Keep 55% weight on your lead foot and ball slightly back of center, so you can rotate through rather than cast. Once done with the takeaway, focus on sequencing. Lead hip clears toward the target before your hands start down. This creates an inside-to-out swing path, which counters the out-to-in slice path. Rotate shoulders and hips together on the transition to keep your hands from flipping. An overactive wrist release opens the face. Make sure the club face is slightly closed relative to the new inside path at the top, so when you release, the face squares through impact rather than staying open. Finish by striking through the ball with extension and rotation. Think of turning your chest fully toward the target while your arms extend. This ensures a square or slightly closed face at impact. If you see a draw or straight ball flight, you fix the path and face relationship. If you still get a fade or slice, troubleshoot. Reduce shoulder tilt slightly and adjust grip by about 1/4 turn stronger on the left hand. Then repeat the drilled sequence until path and face sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.